One thing I always knew, and I would be very non-humble in making that statement, that I drove pretty well. I'm Sneha, the founder of She Can Drive, a mother of an 8-year-old kid, a housewife, and a lady driving instructor for women in Mumbai. So this was one day when we were out for a vacation and my brother-in-law Rupinder Singh happened to make a statement that why don't we train women to drive, and that idea struck me. I came home, I did my research, and I started spreading my word of mouth to my friends and families. It started with one client and it grew multifold, and today I have more than 400 clients. And whilst I was training women to drive, I wanted to give my passion and my profession some identity, and that's how She Can Drive was originated. My first platform that I chose for marketing my brand, She Can Drive, was Snapdeal, and the response was overwhelming. I had students who were waiting for 8 months on the waiting list. That is when I realized that your online market presence has to be felt. After which I chose Facebook to promote my business page, Quikr OLX of course, for online branding and marketing. Because the kind of degrees that I have, there were people at home friends saying, what are these degrees for? Why don't you take up a 9-to-5 job, a white collar job? You're doing something very down market, something that a school dropout would do, something outside your comfort zone. But I decided to pursue my passion. Business point of view, I have challenges that I've been facing every single minute, because every student who comes to me has a certain set of phobias related to driving. And that itself is a major challenge. To help them overcome their fear, I let them understand that driving is not rocket science. They just need to understand simple norms and protocols of driving, and I make it look like a cakewalk to them. India has been on the brim of digitalization. Everything happens at the click of a finger nowadays. We don't have to go out shopping for grocery. People have started realizing the importance of digitalization in India, and that's why we have so many startups coming online. That's how digitalization is helping India grow and making the economy of India boost. It has helped women like me, like She Can Drive. My branding, my marketing, my services are all available online. For working women who are doing a 9-to-5 job, it becomes very tedious for them to come home, go for grocery shopping. For that we have XYZ sites available, which makes our life so easy. Now we have so many women startups coming up and helping making use of internet as a platform to promote and market their brand. And that's how Digital India is empowering women to grow and help the economy of India go a step ahead. Well, I believe if one has to progress, he or she has to have the ability to think beyond the impossible and of course outside the obvious. Of course, everybody knows that without struggle there is no progress. One of course is my deceased mother, who always with her strong values taught me to face all the difficulties in life with strength and courage, and who always taught me that Sneha, you were not born to be standard, you were born to be exceptional. The second inspiration in my life, of course, has been my brother-in-law Rupinder Singh, and he was the one who always pushed me, who always made me realize my potential. Even She Can Drive was formed with his brainchild. Whatever bit of advice he has given to me in life, I have tried my best. In fact, 90% of my times I have tried to implement those, and they have worked well in my favor. Do something different in life. Bridge the gap between the inconvenience and the convenience. Understand where is the inconvenience being caused to people. Do not let the inner voices of fears suppress you. Go ahead, take risks in life. It won't cost you your life, but go ahead and try something. It will pay off. It definitely will pay off.